A lot of y'all been asking me like, can you do a candlestick video? So I'm gonna show you 3 of the top candlestick patterns that's gonna improve your trading on when and where to enter into the market. But before we do that, y'all gotta thumbs the video up for you boys so we can get into the algorithm. You know what I'm saying? That way more people's lives can be changed, you feel me? And you know I gotta give you a scripture of the day. Scripture of the day is Colossians 3:2. Set your mind on things above and not on earthly things. Many times we start setting our mind on bills and all the stuff that we gotta do, and we get overwhelmed. When if you set your mind on things above, all the things on earth will take care of itself. You feel me? So don't worry about none of that. Without further ado, man, let's get into this video. So first thing we're gonna talk about is a DoJi morning star. All right, so normally it's followed by a downtrend. So let me go ahead and put that, boom. So it's normally followed by a downtrend. What do I mean by that? So let's say you have a candle here. All right, we're on the downtrend, we're starting to go down. And then you get a candle that symbolizes the market rejecting. So I'll put the little wick. Let's say the market starts to reject, right? Got a little wick here. Let's say this candle starts to reject, and the next candle that you get looks like a plus sign, right? Small, thin candle. This is a morning star. The DoJi morning star candle signaling a reversal. There we go. From here, then you may start to see candles appear here. You know what I mean? You might start to get bigger and better candles up in here, and we're gonna signal a reversal. So usually followed by a downtrend. Now this is best when the market is normally like at levels of support and resistance. I mean, not support and resistance, but levels of overbought and oversold. So let's say the RSI goes up and down like this. So let's say the market is all the way down here to 25, right in here, okay? This is the point that's going to be the best entry for this morning star. Now, if you see it before then, of course, you can still check it, and you also want to wait on confirmation candle after this, you know, at least 1 to 2 candles to make sure we're going in this direction, okay? So you always want to make sure that first before you just hop in, okay? So whenever you get overbought, oversold, depending on here. So let's say this is oversold. The market came down, start rejecting, weakening out. You get this next smaller candle, morning star candle. Candle starts shooting up, wait on confirmation, hop in on a buy, and you're good to go to the moon. So let's go here, morning star. As you can see, followed by a downtrend, okay? This on trading view. Rejection, morning star candle, reversal. Okay, y'all see that? Clear as day. Then you have the same thing on an uptrend. So let's say the market is going up, right? And this is called an evening star. So that if the market is going up here, let's say you're getting some nice candles, some nice movement, same rules apply. You may get a nice good rejection. Your next candle may look something like this at the top. Same way, you might get another candle that's like this, indecisive. Market closed right here in the middle, looking like a cross. Then your next couple candles starts to drop, signaling a downtrend. Why it's so hard for me to say that, y'all? So this is what how you'll know that you're starting to go into a reversal on your candles. All right, based off of this evening star right here. And I also want to show you before, hold on, let me do this right quick because I want you guys to get this. So remember, it's followed by uptrend. You get the uptrend, you may get an evening star, market, wait on confirmation, hop in for the sale. So I'll show you guys exactly what that looks like. Evening star, same thing. You see it, followed by uptrend. See the uptrend, boom. DoJi evening star, you got the drop, reversal, okay? So I want y'all to make sure y'all keep that in mind as y'all are trading and doing your thing, because these candlesticks are very important. And like I said, based off, support and resistance, you can see a small zone right here. We already got rejection. So a lot of times, like I told you, a lot of these patterns are good when bouncing off support and resistance or being overbought and oversold. So if you're using a stochastic or the RSI, look for overbought, oversold levels. If you already have my scanners and you ain't got to look, it's going to tell you. And then you can also look for candlestick patterns after the rejection, to see, okay, this is how you'll know when you should be getting in at rejection at these different candlestick patterns. So my next one is the Bullish Hammer. Usually could be followed by a downtrend as well. So let's say we got a downtrend, we're looking good. Then we get a candle that looks something like this here. And it looks just like a hammer, right? A small hammer, boom, signaling a reversal. From here, you'll start to get candles up. Not every time, like I said, it's not gonna be all candles up, but for the most part, this is gonna be a reversal. You might get a huge spike or something like that. But you wanna look for this hammer right here, okay? This is a bullish hammer. So this is bullish. This is how you know the market is gonna go in this direction. Okay, so I'm gonna also show you on the chart. Boom, see that? Followed by a downtrend here, hammer, this candle right here. See the hammer? Then we headed to the upside. Boom. Same rules apply. You can wait on confirmation candles. And like I said, a lot of these are best during support and resistance or overbought, oversold levels. That's the best time. Now you can trade it any other time than that, but if you want the best entries possible, wait on support and resistance. Now, same rules apply on a bearish hammer. You might have candles going up like this. Might get you a nice, let's say we got a little candle that looks like this here. Your next one, you get a candle that looks like this here, like a T. Then after that, you may get a candle that looks like this. Boom, and you'll get the little wick here. All right, you might even have a small wick here at the top. And then from there, we start getting candlesticks heading in this direction. So this is a bearish hammer. All right, so whenever you see that in the chart like this, you'll see it followed by uptrend, starts to weaken out. You see this candle here start to weaken out. And when I say candle is weakening out, you see how full this candle here is. Then you see this long wick and how skinny the body is right here. That's how you know the candle is weakening out. When you see that and you see a hammer form, game time. Like I said, we got a false breakout right here, reject, came back down for the sell. So again, these could also be used as best entries on support and resistance if you're using the RSI or the stochastic. You know what I'm saying? Overbought, oversold level. So my last one, we're gonna do engulfing candles. You may have, we'll do a bearish engulfing. So you may have the market going up. So you got the market going up, it's looking good, smaller body. And then you will have something like this here, a red candle up here, and it'll just engulf the previous candle. That's called a bearish engulfing. And all that means is that this candle here is completely bigger than this previous candle. It usually looks like this. It's usually a green candle followed by a big red candle. Bearish, meaning you're gonna be going down. That's all bearish is, a sell-off, all right? When you got a green candle, next candle forms red, completely engulfing it, meaning it's completely larger than the previous candle. Rest assured, for the most part, we're gonna start going down, all right? And I will show you here. As you can see, right here, had a nice uptrend, okay? Boom, candle start getting weak here, dropped down, came back up to resistance again, couldn't break through. This red candle here, completely engulfed this green candle that's right here. So since it was bigger, kept growing, sell off, all right? So that's a bearish engulfing. Now, bullish engulfing, candles dropping like this. You know, some may be a little smaller. You may just have them dropping, right? One more red candle here, about right there. And then you'll get a green candle that just completely engulfs this candle, this previous candle. And then from there, you may get another nice size candle, and then the trend is starting to change. This candle completely engulfed this one right here, okay? This candle way bigger. So normally, like I said, on a bullish engulfing, you're gonna see a red candle followed by a big green candle that engulfs the red one. That's a lot bigger than the red one. Once you see that, you can rest assured for the most part, you're gonna get a bullish direction. So I will show you here. As you can see here, big bullish engulfing. You see this red candle, right? We were in a downtrend, red candle. The next candle that formed, this big green one right here, completely engulfed the red one. This candle is way bigger than this one. Followed by a red candle, next candle, way bigger. We can rest assured that we're going up in an upward direction. Okay, one other thing you'll start to see is heavy rejection in the markets like this. So let's say a market is going up real good, it rejects heavy, all right, and then it starts to fall. Anytime I start to see this happens a lot during news candles and things like that. You'll start to see it. You'll see a heavy rejection, bottom or top, and then the market will turn around. And so anytime I see heavy rejection, I wait till the candle close. If it starts to drop in my direction, based on all the other things that I have set up, indicators and things like that, then I'll know exactly where to get in. If you're not sure on where to get in, always use pending orders, okay? Pending orders will save you a lot of trouble, all right? Now, hopefully this video helped you guys learn, you know, different candlestick patterns. Lord willing, I will see you guys in another video. Let's go.
God's timing is perfect. Patience has a purpose. Waiting for it's worth it. Right on time.